When we first got married, everything was great. But for some reason, Steve started to snore. Just a little at first, but it got worse and worse.
I'd always heard you either snore or you don't. It doesn't get worse.
If we didn't find a solution, I didn't know what would happen. I just could not sleep with him any longer. Our marriage was in trouble.
I didn't believe her that my story was that bad until she recorded an entire night. We needed to get help to save our marriage before we got divorced.
Doctors were no help. Pillows didn't work, but then I found Snorlink.
She bought this online, and it worked. This little device from Snorlink is like magic. Snoring is gone, and our marriage is saved.
I can finally enjoy sleeping again, cuddled up to my husband, thanks to Snorlink.